a good crowd of new and repeat buyers drove prices to a $28,000 high and an average of $6,694 at the 19th annual Yambergen Shorthorn Bull Sale.
Big impact. The front cover bull is followed too, as you can see there, the collected seam on the bull. When you stand behind him and you see that width of that bull, hey, the meat going right down the furl, the outer fire there, the width between the pins there. Look at the great balance on him there. He's standing up nice and straight, isn't he? All right, well, you start maybe there. 931 kilos, I mean, 131 the eye muscle area. We've got the great fat cover of 15 and 10 too. How much over here? We've got number 21. Hey, you see, 16,000, over 16,000 there, over 18,000, 18,000 look good, over 18,000, 18,000 now, over 18,000, 18,000, over 20,000, 2,000, 22,000, over 22,000 now, over 22,000 money, over 22,000 half, over 22,000 now, over hell of a meat content to it, over 4,000, 24,000, over 24,000 now, over 24,000, 24,000 now, over 26,000, over 26,000 half, over $26,000 now, over 26,000 on it, over 26,000 on good, over 28,000, 28,000 now, you're in the box seat, over $28,000, over 28,000, 28,000 now, over 28 to go on, have one more, over 20, I got the same money for you one day, over $28,000, over 28,000 have one, over 20 have all bull, over $28,000, over 28,000 money out, he goes to win the month, over 28,000, get in quick, another 28,000, one in, too late, 4,000, 24, would you like a single sir? 25,000, 25,000, 25,000, over $25,000, over 25,000, 25,000 now, over 25,000 a hand, over 25,000 this one, over $25,000, over 25,000, there he goes, one in quick, another 25,000, this one over, another 25,000, over 6,000, over 26,000, over $26,000, 7,000, $27,000, over 27,000 a hand, over 27,000 off it, over 27,000, one in quick, another 27,000, hurry, done.
Okay, I'm John Manchie. I'm very pleased with today's result. It's been a progression of our data collection and our overall data placement of these cattle that we've seen our performance rise. Not just growth, but we've dropped birth weight, but we've also increased yield and eye muscle area. At the same time, we've maintained our fat levels, and that's something that we've worked very hard to do, and it was great to see the buyer support going for short on bulls that are moderate in maturity pattern, thick and plenty of muscle. It seems to be the industry trend, and yeah, we're very pleased with the result, and thank you very much to all our buyers.